are very few beautifully written mystery novels that can keep you hooked till the end. Keigo Higashino is one such rare writer. In today's video, I bring to you top 5 books by Keigo Higashino. Hello everyone, I am Shalu. Welcome to my channel where I post videos related to books. If you are new here, then do subscribe to my channel for new bookish videos every week. Those who regularly follow my channel may know that I am a big fan of Keigo Higashino. Keigo Higashino is a Japanese author whose mystery novels are quite famous. His works have been adapted into many films and television series of various languages. I read Keigo Higashino for the first time last year and I was instantly hooked to his writing. Some of his works have been translated into English and I have finished reading them all. His novels will leave you astounded at the most unexpected moments with sudden twists and turns. In today's video, I will share with you his top 5 novels which will easily trap you into his mysterious world. So without further ado, let's get started. The first book is The Devotion of Suspect X. The Devotion of Suspect X is Keigo Higashino's most popular work so far. It is also the first one that I read. The story is about Yasuko, who is a divorced single mother. One day, Yasuko accidentally kills her abusive ex-husband. Ishigami, an immensely intelligent middle school teacher, gets entangled with Yasuko in covering up the crime. Detective Kusanagi finds unanswerable mysterious circumstances which can be solved only with the help of a genius. And thus steps in Dr. Yukawa, who is a brilliant professor in the university. It is not your typical whodunit murder mystery. We know from the beginning who the murderer is. The whole story is about covering up the crime. It is a challenging game between Ishigami and Yukawa, and we as readers stay invested in finding out who will win. The Devotion of Suspect X is one of the best and most famous Keigo Higashino novels. Though it is the third book in the Detective Galileo series, but it can be perfectly read as a standalone. The Devotion of Suspect X is unique for its mind-blowing twists and turns and well-detailed police procedurals. If you love thrillers, then this one is a must-read. The next book is Salvation of a Saint. Salvation of a Saint is the fourth book in the Detective Galileo series. The plot revolves around the murder of Yoshitaka, who dies by drinking arsenic-laced coffee. He was planning to divorce his wife Ayan, so Ayan is the obvious suspect. But there is no evidence against her. At the time of crime, she was visiting her parents hundreds of miles away. And here enters Professor Yukawa, who is determined to solve the case against all odds. The novel has the same gripping storyline as The Devotion of Suspect X and has an equal level of depth in the characters and the story. There is something oddly satisfying about Keigo's way of storytelling. Here also, we know from the beginning who the murderer may be. And yet, we are hooked to the murder investigation to find out how the crime was committed. The novel captures your attention from beginning till the end through subtle twists and turns throughout the plot. If you like mind-boggling crime thrillers, then you will surely enjoy reading this one. The third book on my list is Malice. Malice features Detective Kyoichiro Kaga, another popular creation of Keigo Higashino. The story revolves around the brutal, mysterious murder of a best-selling author whose body is found by his wife and best friend. The plot revolves around hatred, jealousy, ambition, and rivalry of characters. It is a perfectly paced novel with incredible twists and turns to keep you engaged. Malice is a baffling story of misdirections. Here the murderer is right in front of the readers and he even confesses to the crime. I wondered what next, but here the focus is not on who but why. Detective Kaga is not satisfied with arresting the killer until he uncovers the real motive behind committing the crime. If you love psychological thrillers, then this one is for you. The next one on my list is A Midsummer's Equation. This is the third book in Detective Galileo series. This whodunit mystery featuring Professor Yukawa takes him to the dying Japanese resort town of Hariko, which is well known for its scenic beauty. Yukawa is there to offer his expertise at hearings on an offshore drilling proposal which promises to boost nation's economy. However, the locals and the environmentalists oppose the plan because they fear environmental damage. One of these locals, Narumi, is invested in the protest with utmost passion, as if her life depends upon the protection of the sea. As the hearings were on, Masasugu Sukuhara was found dead at the base of a seaside cliff. Apparently, he died from an accidental fall. Sukuhara was staying at Narumi's family guest house where Yukawa was also lodged. An autopsy revealed that it was not an accident but a murder. Sukuhara had actually died from carbon monoxide poisoning, and the mystery deepens when it is learned that he was a former homicide detective. The plot revolves around if or how Narumi and her family could be involved in the death of a man who was apparently a stranger to them. Again, a superbly crafted story with an enigmatic lead which will definitely appeal to you. And the last book on the list is Journey Under the Midnight Sun. Journey Under the Midnight Sun is a complex, heartbreaking, dark and disturbing work of brilliance at its best. It is the story about a murder which happened in Osaka in an abandoned building in 1973. The novel shares the journey of two kids from two broken families who share a dark and ugly secret from their past. Ryo and Yukiko grow up to have two different lives, but their journey is intertwined. Their traumatic history doesn't let them move on in life. This epic mystery has unique point of views, narration and plot. The most interesting thing about the book is the dedication of Detective Sasagaki, who follows the suspects for 20 long years to solve the crime. The book is lengthy, but it is very engaging and intriguing. However, it is not a mystery but more of a crime thriller. Journey Under the Midnight Sun lets us see beyond the face of the murder. The more you read, the more you dig deeper, the lesser you care about the murder that happened in the beginning of the story. And you wonder how Ryo and Yukiko's lives would have turned out if no murder had happened. This is one of the best dark thrillers I have ever read. So these were my top 5 Keigo Higashino books. Have you read any of these books? If yes, do share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. And if you want to see more such bookish videos, then please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Until my next video, bye and take care.